Hello, hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Pepper. Today I'm going to be showing an easy, beginner-friendly Hello Kitty. So first I'm just putting down a nude base. Hello Kitty's white, and I don't want to do a white on white. Now I'm going to do a black outline of Hello Kitty. Now I have tried this both ways. I've tried going in with the color first and then doing the outline later, but I have found it works best for me to go in with a black outline, and it does not have to be a perfect outline because you're going to have a lot of opportunities to fix it later, and you'll see that in the video. So now her little dress, and these are her arms coming out of the sides, just two little C-shaped curves, and then of course her little feet. And if you need to pause the video right now to get this outline done, feel free. All right, and now we're going to put in the little, little slats to define where her hands should be, and then the little neckline on her dress. And you can see I do small cures. I cure in between each step that I'm happy with. I tend to be an impatient person and like to keep going, but it's important to do those small cures so you don't make a mistake and end up having to wipe all your work off. If you've been struggling with nail art, please subscribe to my channel. I teach easy character art, easy beginner-friendly nail art. I also make press-on nails. So give me a like, give me a subscribe if you enjoy this video and this tutorial. So now I'm taking white and we're just filling in the head, the feet, the hands. And this is not a gel paint, you guys. This is just Beetle's white gel polish. And look at the coverage I get. And this is where I was talking about you have the opportunity to fix your mistakes. Because if you're white polish is, what's the word? If it covers good enough, then you can cover up the black line, straighten it out, make it thinner. Either way, at the end, we're going to go over the whole thing with a solid black outline that is going to fix every flaw. It's going to pull every detail together. Now I just took a darker pink for her shirt, did the neckline, and then I realized I did not color in her ears the first time around with white, so I went ahead and did that now. I don't know why I didn't do that, but it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Mistakes happen. All right. Now we're going to go in with a bow, and I just did a round circle for the center, and then just came around. I think the important part on this bow is to make sure your corners are rounded. Everything on Hello Kitty is rounded. I ended up having to do 2 or 3 coats of this because it was not covering my black outline, and that's okay to do. I mean, there really isn't much that you can't fix. If you make a mistake, don't trip, potato chip. You're going to be able to fix it later. You can either go back in with some color and fix it where you need to fix it. You can go back in with your black outline. If you need to touch up your white, you can do that later. Like, do not worry. You can fix any mistake you make. I went ahead and just did the little small oval shape for the nose, and then went in with my daughter tool for the eyes. And I did not like the placement of the eyes. It didn't look like Hello Kitty. So you can see I gave it a quick wipe. Made them a little bit more spread apart and closer to the nose. And eye placement, for some reason, is really essential in character art. If you don't get the eye placement right, it does not look like the character. So really pay attention to where those eyes are on Hello Kitty. And now you can see this is where we're going in with that super dark black outline. And this is literally going to pull everything together. When you think your art doesn't look like what it's supposed to, finish your outline, see what it looks like, and then if you need to go back in and fix some things, you can do that after. But you'll be surprised how much your outline makes it look like the character it's supposed to look like. Okay, and then a little detail on the bow, you guys, just a little half C on the little ribbon part. I hope you can see that. Then I cured after I finished the head and did the body separate because I did not want to have to wipe it off if I made a boo-boo. And you're literally going through and just darkening up every outline or replacing the ones you might have had to cover with color to straighten out your design. Either way, this black outline is your saving grace. All right, and then the whiskers. Oh, I think I outlined the nose first. Super, super thin outline, you guys. Hardly no product on your brush. No product. You want that perfect oval shape for her nose. Make sure your outline is where you like it. And then I'm adding whiskers. 3 whiskers. 2 diagonal, 1 straight. And I think on this side, I couldn't figure out what to do with the whisker because the bow was in the way. So see, I had to wipe off and they didn't match. The 2 sides were different. So make sure your whiskers line up. You don't want to have a crooked Hello Kitty. All right, there she is. So we went ahead and put that in the lamp, and now we are going to top coat as I remove some lint. Pretty happy with this Hello Kitty, you guys, and this is the first Hello Kitty I've ever tried. So it's easy. Don't be scared. You can do it. If you like this channel and want more simple, easy character art tutorials, give me a subscribe, give me a like. Bye.